Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Shri R. L. Gupta, the petitioner, joined the Judicial Service of Punjab on January 23, 1962 and became a member of the Delhi Judicial Service on its initial constitution on August 2, 1971. He was confirmed in the said service as a sub-judge on August 6, 1971. He was sent on deputation as the first district and sessions judge Sikkim at Gangtok on August 19, 1976. While he was on such deputation, he was promoted as additional district and sessions judge in the Delhi Higher Judicial Service under Rule 16 of the Delhi Higher Judicial Service Rules 1970. At the end of his period of deputation, the petitioner came back to Delhi and joined as an additional district and sessions judge. In June 1979, the petitioner was sent on deputation as Registrar Special Courts, New Delhi, and he remained on deputation until March 1980. Between March 1980 and June 1981, the petitioner again worked as an additional district and sessions judge, Delhi. On 14 June 1981, on the establishment of the Delhi Legal Aid and Advice Board, the petitioner was sent on deputation as the first member secretary of that board. When he was still working as the member secretary of the Delhi Legal Aid and Advice Board, on April 26, 1985, the Government of India appointed a commission of inquiry presided over by Shri Justice Ranganath Mishra, Judge, Supreme Court of India, under the provisions of Section 3 of the Commissions of Inquiry Act 1952 for the purpose of making inquiries into a matter of public importance, namely the allegations in regard to the incidents of organized violence in Delhi following the assassination of Shrimati Indira Gandhi, the late Prime Minister of India. On May 27, 1985, the central government addressed a letter to the Registrar of the Delhi High Court requesting the High Court to spare the services of the petitioner for being appointed as the secretary of the commission referred to above. On receipt of the said letter, the petitioner was asked by the High Court whether he was willing to work as the secretary of the commission. Accordingly, the petitioner got himself relieved from the Delhi Legal Aid and Advice Board and joined as secretary of the Commission of Inquiry. Within 3 months from the date on which the petitioner joined the commission, the Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court wrote a letter to Shri Justice Ranganath Mishra stating that it had been decided by the High Court to place the petitioner on probation on the Delhi Higher Judicial Service as his turn had come for the same, and therefore he might be relieved from his post of the secretary of the commission to enable him to report to the High Court as soon as possible, but in any case not later than 10 days from the receipt of the said communication. On receipt of the said letter, Shri Justice Ranganath Mishra wrote to the Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court stating that the petitioner had got himself acquainted with the working of the commission, and at that juncture it was difficult to relieve him in the public interest. Stop. Accordingly, he was not relieved by the commission to revert to the judicial service. Stop. The letter of Shri Justice Ranganath Mishra was considered by the full court of the High Court at its meeting held on 22nd November 1985, and the resolution was passed. Stop.